Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to Speed Tutor and welcome to Made with Unity Mondays for the 11th of October 2021. I feature some of the best games, visual effects and things that you will find across Unity. Be sure to send me an email with any awesome content that you've made and you have a chance to feature in next week's episode. And be sure to throw a like on this video because it would really help me out. So number 1 by HideIt_ has got a beautiful 2.5D game. User real_killerbean has exactly what you just thought. Sakura_rabbiter has got some awesome visual effects and shaders. Anonymous Unity dev is working on some interactions and physics for their survival game. Adam Anderson has got some really angry clouds. Stephion has got some water bending effects directly inside Unity. Ailsley has got the crafting system which allows you to make the items and weapons out of the voxels themselves. Voxel Tactics has got a new Halloween edition for their spooky cemetery. Azurexis has got some new footage of their Paper Animal RPG. Merzabig has got some portals that you can open on any service, and it just works. John Joe MC Bob has got some helicockpits where you can move between characters. Novem Tales has got a new building system for their survival game. User Paul Etimes has got a brand new shader graph effect for displacing the objects. User Sprawls has just completed the biggest project of a 30-hour-long RPG with over 150,000 words of dialogue. User Trevor's Adam has got a new weapon just for this week. Loveland Studio has got one of those bouncy boats. Oddrock is letting you do some monster trucking. And Zero Transcendence 9 has got a living, breathing, morphing world that'll change with every playthrough.